now on Palm Beach TV.
We've trained over 400 people in the last 3 years. We've had one person who took the course that was given the Kunkel Award for a life-saving event.
It's more than a class, a Right News Follow the Story that examines the Civic Association's Healthcare Committee's partnership teaching life-saving skills with real impact.
We have the great soups that are coming in. The restaurants are starting to confirm all the soups, and it's just I think it's going to be the biggest and best yet.
Save the date for the upcoming Empty Bowls Palm Beach benefit featuring gourmet soups and Palm Beach celebrities joining the fight against hunger. NBC's Lester Holt spent a decade sharing stories from the anchor desk. Now he's sharing a new perspective as the Civic Association's keynote speaker for the annual Community Service Award breakfast. Those stories straight ahead.
The Palm Beach Civic Association brings you Palm Beach TV, the island's only newscast, sponsored by the Fortin Foundation of Florida. Now, the news.
Welcome to Palm Beach TV. I'm Sally Lewis. The person saving your life may not be a doctor or even a first responder. It may be your neighbor. In this Right News Follow the Story, we're looking at how the Palm Beach Civic Association's Healthcare Committee is partnering with Palm Beach Fire Rescue to teach critical life-saving skills across the island. In November of 2024, Robert Young was working as a pool deck supervisor at the beach club when a member started choking. He knew exactly what to do.
He was one of the people that learned through our program what to do in case of a choking event. So it was really, really wonderful to have had the opportunity to save a life.
Young was honored with the Raymond J. Kunkel Award during the Civic Association's annual meeting in April of last year for his heroic service to the Palm Beach community. The partnership that led to this training between the Civic Association's Healthcare Committee and Palm Beach Fire Rescue began 3 seasons ago, originally targeting new moms with skills they could use in emergencies.
If it was young mothers, they might teach you about toddlers and babies choking and how to handle that.
McDonald was instrumental in continuing the program and expanding its reach the following season to service workers at restaurants and clubs, kitchen staff, servers, anyone who could be first on the scene.
Let's say a club might have a membership of 700 people, most of whom are residents. If the staff was trained, they are then trained for 700 or whatever the number is, residents.
McDonald is a member of the Civic Association's Healthcare Committee and a director since 2019. She saw a great ally in Palm Beach Fire Rescue's Lieutenant Kristen Ruist, who leads the community's outreach for emergency training.
So emergency preparedness kind of hits any aspect of potential emergencies. We really try and focus on medical and fire scenarios. So we look at potential cardiac arrest. We look at if somebody has a bleeding issue, allergic reaction, choking. And then on the fire side, we'll look at if there's a small fire, utilizing a fire extinguisher, or even how to evacuate, what's the best way. Lastly, we will look at what do I do when I call 911? What's the process? What steps can I do to help make the situation better?
Fire Rescue's broader educational efforts have been credited with a total of 3 lives saved so far. For Lieutenant Ruist, each person trained becomes part of a life-saving network.
As a lieutenant on a rescue, I can only respond to one emergency at a time. I love teaching because I can create a network of people who can respond to emergencies all over the island and all over our community. So by doing that, we enable people to help us be better firefighters, better paramedics, because when I show up, if somebody started the process and gotten that ball rolling for us, the outcome for the patient is better.
This season, the Healthcare Committee's partnership also includes the Mandel Recreation Center, offering training to Palm Beach residents on Wednesday, February 4th, and another option on Wednesday, March 4th at 9:30 a.m. The hour-long sessions are complimentary. To RSVP, you can email the Rec Center at recreation@townofpalmbeach.com.
The fire department has really focused on being better together, working with all the different organizations in order to bring people together to learn about all of these life-saving skills for themselves and their community members. Hence the fact that we're trying to make us all better together.
The popular 13th annual Empty Bowls Palm Beach fundraiser returns in a little over 3 weeks, offering gourmet soup tastings from local chefs, fresh bread, dessert, and a hand-painted souvenir bowl. The keepsake is a daily reminder to eat simply so others may simply eat.
We at the food bank have seen such an increase in need, and therefore the services that we provide to the community. It's been a challenging year, and we've just seen the need just increase so much, and that puts an extra burden on the food bank to make sure that we have the funds and the programs in place to kind of meet the need.
Mark your calendar for Friday, February 6th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Church of Bethesda by the Sea. Advance tickets are $40 online and $45 at the door. There's also a silent auction and excitement over which well-known celebrities will be serving soup. With the support of sponsors and the church, the event is completely underwritten so that every dollar raised supports the Palm Beach County Food Bank. After delivering the news to millions at NBC, Lester Holt has a new perspective to share after stepping down as anchor of NBC Nightly News in May 2025. Holt continues his role as anchor of Dateline NBC. The Palm Beach Civic Association is proud to welcome the Emmy Award-winning journalist as this season's keynote speaker for the annual Community Service Award Breakfast. The program also includes honoring Thomas Quick as this year's William J. Bill Brooks Community Service Award recipient for his outstanding service to the community. Join us Monday, February 2nd at 9 a.m. at the Breakers. Tickets start at $240 for Civic Association members and $400 for non-members. VIP meet and greet tickets and tables are also available. Buy tickets online at palmbeachcivic.org under Programs and Forums. We hope to see you there. And that wraps up Palm Beach TV. Stay up to date with the island's only newscast at palmbeachcivic.org and through our social media. If you are not a member of the Palm Beach Civic Association, we invite you to join online at palmbeachcivic.org and connect with our community. Until next time, thank you for watching.
Palm Beach TV is a production of the Palm Beach Civic Association. We thank our sponsor, the Fortin Foundation of Florida, and encourage you to let us know how we can further provide news coverage that best serves our members and residents.